Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, you know what I mean, I went to the supermarket and looking for fresh things, couldn't get anything. But check the freezer and I find something really fantastic. Is a smoothie mix with strawberry and banana. All right, slices. Just gonna jump on make a smoothie in the morning. Yeah. Pour the thing inside of here. If you have a nice blender. Yeah, this blender is a very nice blender. What I'm gonna do is just, you know what I mean, put one extra half a ripe banana, because I have some ripe banana inside of it. Yeah. Squeeze some lime juice. About a teaspoon of lime juice. Lemon juice. If you have lemon, please use it. If not, I'm gonna put a piece of a ginger, just a little piece of ginger inside of it. I'm gonna put some honey. If you have organic honey, it's much better. Roughly about a teaspoon of honey. I'm gonna put a little bit of water. Just gonna be blending it. Don't take long to blend, about 2 to 3 seconds on a good blender. Nice and lovely. So yeah, finish. So if you wake up early in the morning, this is what you can do, you know. Just pour it out like this. Nice and lovely. Look at that. Is that beautiful, guys? Eh? Amazing recipe. Thank you so much for tuning in to the show, and thank you for watching. See you next time with more recipe with Chef Ricardo in the kitchen. Again and again with more recipe. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye.